Truck flipped completely upside down and my door fell off, and while the truck was in the air, I fell out and the truck landed on my legs.
2 mortars came in, 107 millimeter rockets, and I was struck from the shrapnel by the second one.
They are stories of war with an addendum. These survivors are still fighting.
I looked down at the bed that I was lying in and realized that I only saw 1 foot sticking up.
Staff Sergeant Arishka Hilliard is running toward a life more normal, thanks to the incredible staff and facilities at the Brooke Army Medical Center in San Antonio.
Morale is everything. When we come in here, we boost each other's morale.
The Center for the Intrepid is a state-of-the-art rehabilitation center for the men and women returning from Iraq and Afghanistan with debilitating injuries. Here, soldiers like Staff Sergeant Hilliard relearn balance, work on their core, get atrophied muscles back into shape,
Just because it doesn't look pretty doesn't mean it's not going to turn out good.
and find new ways of doing familiar things. Before the rehabilitation begins, soldiers find themselves here at the Brooke Army Medical Center, where the war brings a steady flow of patients to doctors like Lieutenant Colonel Evan Renz.
We are constantly reading and studying and researching to try and to prove what the best product is.
By necessity, this hospital has been at the forefront of some of the most advanced trauma treatments, from prosthetics to things like skin grafts grown in the lab using the patient's own cells.
When we don't have adequate skin, we can grow epithelial cells in the lab and then lay those onto the patient's clean and healthy skin bed.
And other patients worldwide benefit from their expertise.
I'm a very stubborn person, and I do not like asking for help at all.
Staff Sergeant Michael Laggy knows that here, he doesn't have to ask for help. 94% of the wounded who arrive here from Iraq and Afghanistan survive.
Recovery from a severe burn injury is a lifelong process.
And a long life is exactly what these soldiers are looking forward to.
I'm gonna live my life. I ain't gonna let this slow me down.
I'm glad to, be back on my feet, so I'm going to take advantage of it.
For Health Corner, I'm Elisa Adams.